Law Call.
Welcome back, everyone. If you're just joining us tonight, our show is about bankruptcy, and we've got some calls already lined up, so we're ready to get to those. But let me introduce you to our desk tonight. We've got Wendell Horn is our host attorney from the law firm of Reynolds, Horn and Servant, and our guest attorney, even though he's not really a guest, he's been here so many times, is Alex Sanders. He runs his own firm downtown. And we are ready to get those calls in, and we've got Stephen is holding for us from Kathleen. Hi, Stephen.
Hey, how's it going?
Going well. Hope you've got a good question for us. Maybe you can stump the attorney tonight.
Good, yeah.
Go ahead.
So, about 22 years ago, I was in a car accident. Well, it wasn't my fault, but I was found guilty of it because I didn't go to court on that particular case. But anyway, we had an accident, and there was damages to the other vehicle, and the insurance company sued me for those particular damages. And because it's a car accident, I guess they sued me for it, and it caused my license to get suspended. Is there any way is there statutory limitations to that case, or can I file bankrupt to dismiss this civil suit and get my license back? What do I need to do? Like I said, it's been about 23, 24 years ago.
Stephen, it sounds like you must have not had insurance to cover that accident.
Correct.
All right, there's a provision in Georgia law that if you cause an accident and you don't have the requisite required insurance, then the state can suspend your license until that debt that's owed to the insurance company is paid. I think Alex will tell you a bankruptcy will undo that immediately, and you should have done that 22 years ago, and we wouldn't be having this conversation. Otherwise, you have to go in and make arrangements with the insurance company to pay the debt over a period of time, and as long as you're paying pursuant to the agreement you had with that insurance company, your license will remain intact. But the easiest thing to do, go see Alex,
right,
file a bankruptcy, and that's done. But 22 years ago, I suspect that's probably over. I mean, it should be.
It should be, but I've definitely, and I've had this situation happen where I filed really for that sole purpose. Obviously, if you're gonna work, you know, you need transportation, you need a license.
Right.
But the good thing about bankruptcy, and it can take, you know, it depends on the case. Sometimes we can get them together, a case together within a week. That's real quick, usually month, 2 months. But right when you file the case, you get the automatic stay,
right,
which is basically an injunction on your creditors from collecting from you. You know, they have to file certain motions with the court, but I think you'd be able to get your license back fairly quickly.
Immediately.
Immediately,
right.
or
yeah.
you know, nothing's immediate. You know, in the
right.
law,
but
within a reasonable amount of time,
fairly
probably within a
quickly.
week.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's a good
Sure
question.
could.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And Stephen, if you'll stay, just hold till the end of the show, we'll run the phone numbers for Alex's office, and you can certainly reach out, as he's mentioned before. He does free consultations.